Welcome, friends, to our first full day on the Disney Wish. At Nassau, we did not get off the ship. The pool seems less full today. We hit the splash zone and ate ice cream. We spent time on character meet and greets. We raced our daughter in the inflatable incredible race. We dressed up for pirate night at Arendelle. Then we had trouble getting to sleep, so we wound up on the deck with other pirates before the fireworks. We hope you jump up and down inside the way we did, like fangirls meeting these familiar favorites. Keep going, big guy.
Oh, cool.
Logan. Whoa, look, it's Peter Pan. Yeah. That's a cloud. Yeah.
One more looking on the camera, looking on
Can you just hold on for a second?
Of course.
Let's give you the shot.
I love that. I'm like, okay. Say less. Say less.
Alright.
Family.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go grab Michael.
Perfect, thank you.
Is it okay, sir? Princess forward.
Princess forward.
There you go. One.
There you go. She's
hiding on you. And a big smile on here on the 1, 2, 3. And a one more. And everybody do like this.
Daisy has a secret.
Daisy's got a secret.
Of course.
Why?
I just wanted to see it, okay?
Here they go. They're going, it's okay. Look, there's Mama.
Remember, say, go on that side. Go on that side. That way.
Yay!
Go, Daddy!
Our pictures in the castle, remember?
There's Joe.
That's not Joe, that's Captain.
Oh, that's Captain?
Yeah. Look for Dad's army soldier.
Oh, that's right.
The colonel.
Yeah.
Right? Let's go. Come on. Itch.
One more time. Hello, small child with mouse ears. I am Oaken, and I am pleased to be welcoming you to Arendelle to celebrate the engagement of our most worthy and wonderful parking van services in my slow season. Yeah. But I can see it in me. It's now time for the skull.
That's right, a skull. Yeah, well, I love a skull. What's a skull? Yeah, we wanted it.
Hey, Joe, my friend, you look just like my cousin Bjorn. You know this? Yeah. Bjorn, is that you? Yep. Classic Bjorn, always a trickster. I'll see you at the family reunion, yeah? See you there, Bjorn. Good to see you, family reunion.
What a beautiful view of the ocean. Yes. Nice to see you.
Hi!
And I see that we are waiting for my parents outside.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we're going to sing some more songs a little bit later, too.
Fantastic.
I love your purple hair. It's so matches my cake.
Hi! Go wave, say hi.
Run closer. Run over there. Run over there. Can I go walk off? You got your dress on?
David Jones.
Mm-hmm. Does look like
Which is an octopus.
Oh, okay. I'm right.